It's Marci Javril with yogaoftouch.com, and we're talking about excess fluid in the legs, which is actually lymph. And we can do gentle lymph drainage massage to the legs to eliminate swelling in the toes and the ankles and all that congested, heavy feeling in the legs and the knees. But what you have to realize is just what I was doing, providing an angle so that the lymph can flow in the proper direction, which is towards the pelvis. So let's open up the pelvis first. So there's somewhere for the leg to empty too. That's how your lymph works. Pressing right here at the groin, at the inguinal nodes, you can pump and relax all this congestion that might be in the lymph node cluster here. Then wrap your hands around and do hula hoop around from the back to the front. Hula hoop around from the back to the front and emphasize right here on the sit bone, bringing it around towards the inguinal area. Then move everything in the thigh towards the groin. Everything in the thigh towards the groin. Then put your hands together like this and we'll do water wheel. Water wheel on the knee over and over again, bringing everything to the finish line. Now you're ready to go to the feet because you've gotten a place for all the fluid to move towards. The final destination, your pelvic area. So that's why sitting on your tush sometimes makes your legs swell. So grabbing the whole foot with as much of your hand as you can, even with your socks on, and squeezing that little toe and all along the foot, press around the ankle bones, press around the ankle bones, making little circles, and then squeeze the back of the Achilles and give a nice squeeze, gentle pulsing to all of the calf, all the way up the calf, and especially in the center of the calf, you can give it a good pressure with some circles with all of your fingers at once. Then you're ready to clear the knee, and hula hoop the thigh. And there you are, back at the beginning. And that will really help the swelling in your legs when you're traveling, when you're sitting in the car, when you're sitting at your desk. Try to get elevated in the daytime. Even if you can't stretch your legs like I can, put a pillow under them, put a footstool. And that's your yoga of touch for today. Thanks.